I have made a project in which you can store data, search, view all, reset, and delete. Let's see how this works. Hello, my name is Netra Gupta and I'm studying in class 9th in Birla Vidya Niketan, New Delhi. I have been doing some courses in Python with TinkerCoders, and with the help of it I have made a project. The name of my project is Employee Details. Here is the project. This is the code of my project that I have made using Python. When I run the code, it will show the screen. I will now enter all the details like name, contact, email, salary, and designation. If we leave a space blank and click on the submit button, it will show a warning saying please fill the empty field. If we fill all the details and click on the submit button, it will show data stored successfully, and the data will show up in the table on the right side. The table will also include employee ID, which will be generated for everyone automatically by the system. When we click on the reset button, it will reset all the spaces. When we type a name in the enter name to search blank and click on the search button, it will show the details of only the person we have searched for. If we click on the view all button, it will show data of all the people. If we select a person and click on the delete button, it will delete the person's data from the list. If we do not select a person and click on the delete button, it will show a warning saying select data to delete. This project can be used to manage data in different companies. Thanks for watching.